Oh boy, some marriages these days. Forgiveness na gbege for where them dey. I dey tell you.
Now, the reason say if they forgive their partner, like be say that thing wey their partner do, the partner fit repeat am next time or they like am.
I dey tell you. So, try God, now you come make it to forgive their partner. Some of them it dey hard.
No be these days just to once someone offend you to forgive these days they hard because it kind of
it can't be like say maybe the person go repeat and it go be like say you like them. So as they vex like that,
you go say
no.
But this kind of thing,
hi,
what you think about this forgiveness? Do you think is it good for husband and wife to keep on having grudges, being upset to their partners, or do you think we need to forgive? Because here now people think say once they forgive their partners, as in they're weak, or their partner will still repeat that thing will make them become angry.
For me, the way I see this thing, it no be so. Forgiveness no mean say you are condoning that person, you are accepting that person's behavior or that thing with that person do. You say he good. No. When you are angry, understand? That is because of that waiting that person do you. It makes you feel angry, it makes you feel sad. You can even your mood will change. You understand? So for me, what forgiveness help you to do is to help you to be in the present, okay? To let go of that negative feeling, to let go of that anger you feel, understand? It will help you be in a positive mood, all right? To help you be in a positive mood, not a kind of thinking that person, if I go and forgive that person now, understand?
The person will repeat that
it will repeat that person.
Even when you forgive that person and sincerely, as sincere forgiveness, and it will even make that person not to repeat.
See my face on the see this thing where they call forgiveness. Forgiveness just be like person waiting for prison.
Okay.
And the one that is the person will be say in the guide the person waiting for prison. Do you know say both of them are in prison?
No, true.
You know why?
Because
the person there inside is there for prison. This person now they guide this person where
is there for prison. Don't you say you know they inside?
So because I didn't say that person where they inside, no they there. You know go the guide person. So the same thing with person where if you never forgive person. You understand? So if you never forgive person, your mind
is still heavy. You are not free.
So it better say for me, I suggest the best thing to do is to call that person. Let's say if not your husband
or your wife,
your friend or your wife,
your mother, your father, your brother,
this is what I tell you, not be only for marriage,
husband and wife,
friendship. You understand? But let's say we are talking about marriage here, this marriage on 9 important parts. So for me, the best way to settle this thing now to call your partner, tell them that thing way you do. You understand? Tell them as him be you for heart.
As in they hammer you.
They tell you. So,
give them.
tell them exactly how that thing do. Tell them how you invest you. Tell them say they make you first. Tell them
and if you know those words, all those words that he used or she uses on you, or that thing where you do, where you don't like. Maybe say next time you no go like me repeat them again.
You know say now the time when you call the person come. Now you know say some people they do person bad though. You understand?
Yes.
But that person will do that thing, no even know say na be the problem.
That is another thing. Sometimes like this you go there, as in your mind go there bad for where your husband or where your wife dey.
Yes.
But to that person where they upset with, that person no go know say he offend you. Inside he go dey ask, wetin I do now? Why this person go dey vex like this? Why this person go dey just dey carry face up and down like I know how, which adjective I go use to qualify. So instead of you, now this person now you say you are angry with, that person, his or her mind is a kind of clear. You not even
So
this is not the bother. Now you will be say you dey you will when they carry the thing for your mind, now you think they hit.
As you call me, just
But when you call that person, open up, talk one-on-one, calm down, and table everything when they bother you to the person.
And another thing we go still help na sympathy, because let's say person come dey tell you wetin happen, you understand, wetin make that kind thing wey make you vex happen.
Okay.
So also put yourself on that person's shoe. You understand? Sympathy is very, very important here. Have human sympathy in this area. Understand? And another thing too, one young give you. Understand? You know they listen to us now. You understand? They listen to us. If you never follow our page, I beg, do that now. And if you dey watch us for YouTube, make sure say you go subscribe. On the notification bell so that anytime we upload videos, YouTube will notify you. So another thing to say, see forgiveness as a process, because you know the day issue. You understand? See it as a process. But then go still help you. Forgiveness go help you when you let go to try to be in a positive and let the negativity go away. Let that bad feelings, you know. You imagine now you dey angry now, you know as
you dey be. See, if I dey angry, I no go eat. So for me not to eat, and I just try to avoid it, so that I'll be free.
Let it go, you understand?
And another thing, if you are angry and the person that provoke you, you have to understand as well that that person is an imperfect human. For the fact that that person is imperfect, that person must offend you.
But that make I say open that communication, because now the time we will listen, now you go know whether that person no. You don't say some people they do person wrong. That is they normally do it. So now that make I tell you say before anything, you understand, you better say you call that person more on table the matter. May you know wetin cause that thing, because sometimes the people go there, may they just punish you or say they change attitude. People feel just bring something up, and because of it, come they run that person. So the best thing I make a talk before you go come say is an imperfect woman. You understand? Because we all know that we are imperfect, but sometimes people they from their mind like this, wrong people do it to you, say may pepper you. Now make a tell you, no matter what you do with that person, first call that person first.
Know the person mind.
Good. Know the other person mind. Even if na your husband.
Whether you do imitation or you don't know what
they do. So you better say you call them first, more na table. Now from there, now you go come know whether you know what you do or you do a mistakenly. So now from there, now you go come let them go. But in everything, let me tell you something. Forgiveness no mean say you don't forget something. What we are talking about here now is forgiveness. You know me say you don't forget something. You understand? Like say maybe in your love, because of love, you say I don't forgive and they forget. But then we are talking about forgiveness, because some people they think say maybe if I forgive that person, it means say I support her, it means I accept what they do. No, you know me like that. It just mean may you free yourself. Understand? Let go of those negative vibes and bring in positivity, and let go of the past and live in the present so that you can enjoy your life for good. All right, so the best thing is to make sure that you forgive your partner. Call him, call her up, make her know wetin be the problem.
Anybody one at the gates.
So now so in view for today.
So for your marriage, try to always forgive, no matter what. No matter what, always forgive. Once your partner asks you for forgiveness, for the sake of your marriage, because some people when they don't, they refuse to forgive, and you keep on carrying grudges on your heart, and you keep on extending it. The thing sometimes bring divorce.
And another thing be saying, you know, say this forgiveness of a thing, they learn and move. Yes, it's a process. It's not something that you can just. It's something that just see it as a journey. It's a process, understand? Don't just hurry they say let me just no, just small you go learn how to forgive. Now you go make you anytime where person forgive you,
upset you
just go. If now your partner, even if you not get small crash like that, you go just tell them as in there you for mind, then forgive them and forget about
because
it.
it's just like you say, it's a process.
Yes.
It's a process because the person will, as for the fact that we are still living, we are still breathing, people will keep on as upsetting
but
us.
here you learn how to forgive. No matter what in person do you
no go enter your heart like that.
There you like maybe some because now they cause people they keep person. Now they cause people they carry poison
for
people. Now all these things. But if you learn and like this, no matter what in person, even if the person do you something will reach you to the bone,
you know, learn how to hold yourself.
Say you can hold yourself and let it go, so that peace will do what reign in your family. We love you so much. Remember, follow our page, hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that anytime we drop more videos, YouTube gonna notify you. We love you so much. Bye.